Alright guys, check this out. I got a DJI Pantom standard right here. And my gimbal was initially, well, the gimbal controller was broken and it wasn't sending a video signal anymore. So now I'm actually I was trying to figure out what the problem was, and I'm now pretty sure that it was my antenna, because I've actually noticed something really strange. Yeah, so I switched out the standard gimbal controller and antennas with the SE ones from the Pantom SE, from the Pantom 3 SE. And so the funny thing now is that I can actually, this is my Pantom 3 SE controller. So if I turn that on and connect my phone with it, let me just do this real quick. Wait a second, where's the... Just have to figure Pantom 3 SE, as you can see. So I'm gonna click connect. And now, if I turn on the drone, the standard, it's turning on. And now, wait. Now I have a video on my 3 SE camera and on my transmitter. The funny thing is, I can as you can see, I can change exposure and do all that stuff. You can even see battery, see all that stuff, sensor, and all that fun stuff. But I can't, like, I can't use the controls. Like I can't tilt the camera or switch flight modes. Actually, now the drone turned completely red, and it gets even crazier because now I'm gonna actually connect the 3 standard controller, and if I turn that on, and wait, yeah, now it turns green. So I got both transmitters, and I can move the gimbal, as you can see. See this? I'm using this controller and moving the gimbal and seeing it on that. That got the SE board in and the standard drone for the controls, because the video transmission and the telemetry data is on 5.8 gigahertz. No, it's on 2.4, and I'm receiving the 2.4 gigahertz with those antennas, from those antennas to this SE remote. But the 5.8 gigahertz is coming from this to a different receiver in that drone. So this is why it also says red, because I'm not connected. It's not receiving any signal. The signal that the drone sends is going to this one. So it's going from this controller to the drone, and from the drone back to that controller, which is really funny, but doesn't solve my problem. So now just know that I have to fix my antenna. That's, yeah, that's all, but it's quite funny to play around with it.